Lord Adama, being affected by Wave X and other planetary accelerations. By Walking Terra Christa. Lord Adama brings forth his weekly lesson to talk about Wave X along with all higher accelerations that are occurring so that we can balance the energies and accept the changes we are experiencing. Reverend Christine Milleria C., Integrative Channel. Greetings my friends, it is I, Lord Adama with the Tel-Ocean and Agarthian Councils of Light opening up the energies of all the Agarthian cities and the network we are all a part of. Once again we are in the midst of great changes through the higher frequencies of light coming into the planetary levels, making adjustments and changes within the planet and within all of us. As we stand in this cornerstone of light frequency of Wave X, we have to understand what these higher frequency alignments represent. They are coming into Gaia, in the core of her substance which is her crystalline system, to emit these energies through all the kingdoms within her domain, which includes each of us in human form. As this energetic exchange comes into each individual, it will make you feel quite different in many ways because this frequency of light is a 7th dimensional level. As always, as what I have shared previously, it is a vortex of energy coming into your system and through it to help you make the necessary changes within your lives and your pathway. That is why so many individuals that are not aware of these energies are going through great physical issues and ailments because of the debris they have held in their consciousness within their etheric body is going through their 4-body system. Now for each of you that are desiring to be in a higher state of excellence, each of your bodies are being affected also. It relates to your lessons and what you learn in your daily life, in your physical consciousness, and how you are able to ascertain what is occurring for you from the higher realms and what is actualizing in the physical realm. These planetary alignments are opportunities for more growth to occur. I hear so many light workers say that they are challenged and hurting during these times of acceleration. But each of you has a responsibility to your own self-healing. No one can do it for you. Others can show you the way. We, as the masters, can assist you, but in truth you are the one that is the driver of your vehicle. You are the one that decides which turn to take, which road to travel upon, and when it is time to sit and rest. These are all important elements to consider as we are working within the law of relativity. We have to understand that this energetic exchange that is coming into the planet is not changing the planet into a 7th dimension. It is a trial run. It is moments of time that is occurring at the end of this month to allow every living organism upon and within the planet to experience a higher realm of light within their consciousness and hopefully, within their physical actualization of those energies. That will depend upon the elements that are arising, how much work that needs to be done within those elements, and if you can hold that energy physically. It is also a great time of healing. It is a powerful time of manifestation of what you have been desiring to receive can come to you during this time. It is about the synchronization of elements coming into a movement. It is like a flow of a river which has been roaring across rocks with small waterfalls that come into a place of complete serenity. It arrives into the space where the water is running and flowing down for all elements to come together. As the rocks, the trees, the sun, the water and the elements within the water come into a pure existence of serenity, of acceptance. This is actually what can happen during this time if you allow it to be. During the times of high accelerations, it is important to be in the flow of what is occurring. I want you to consider what is occurring for you within your life. What has happened to you through this process, and are there any other elements that need to come into the synchronization of the moment? Is there a flowing energy occurring for you in any of the phases of your life? And how is this affecting you emotionally and mentally? At this midpoint stage through the end of the energetic alignment, there can be many issues that are occurring. As this energy comes in, it can be disruptive as it opening up those centers, the elements within your system that need to be healed, that need to be purged. The most important part of this process is to accept the healing, to accept the change that needs to occur as you realize within yourself that you are going through a transformation, and there is always a transitionary phase from one part unto another before that transformation can occur. It is representative of moments of time coming into completion, coming into the circumference of all elements being the same and allowing them to be part of your experience. As you sit in the middle of the energy and it starts to come towards you, it spins around you. Notice what is occurring for you in all phases. What is happening for you physically, what happening you emotionally, what is happening within your thought processes and how you think. What is occurring for you in your soul body of light? What healing is happening to you? I know many of you concentrate on the purging that don't have the realization within yourself that you are becoming someone different. This is very, very important. You must have a stabilization period after you go through purging so that the body can readjust. Not just within the body but all of your internalizations of your emotions and your thoughts so that the etheric body can become one within the physical body. As this energy comes through you, you vibrate at a different level through this process. Depending upon how well you can ground it, you can become part of those energies in any of your bodily functions. So part of your emotional body can heal the different levels and it will bring forth the ability to understand what you are experiencing. This brings us to the law of relativity. We have to look at this energetic exchange and not just because of wave X, or the moon cycles. We are coming upon the new moon. This is all part of the realization that all things are coming into oneness. But it must be within each of us individually, first and foremost before it can happen as a universal or earth consciousness. These are important elements to remember as you are going through these high accelerations. Don't be so negative in what you are experiencing and don't allow yourself to get into that phase you are continually ripping yourself apart by finding more that needs to come out of you. You have to find those periods of stabilization as they are the moment that you ground that higher energy into your physical self. If you continually move from one negative element onto another to purge, what happens in between? There is no space for any adjustment to occur. It truly has to be a process. Otherwise you will put yourself into a state of frenzy, you will be in those negative emotions. You will continually think that is who you are and you are not changing at all. So it is really imperative through these stages to write in your journal, "Today I purged my insecurity issues representative of my relationship with my co-workers. I saw how I was different. I really want to affirm within myself. That is who I am becoming." What happens if you just go to another lesson that occurs when you have not learned the lesson? It means that you have not grounded that energy, and that it needs to be repeated until you step away from the old energy to become the new essence. This is all part of the lesson. So it is essential to take the time to realize within yourself that growth is happening. It is very much like when growth within the human body occurs from the infant to the toddler to the little child stages. Each of those are periods of renewal. Sometimes in those growth processes it can be painful for that child, as each of you know. So I ask you to take a moment, many moments after doing cleansing and purification to readjust your energies. This happens a lot with these higher energies coming in as it is stirring up the etheric body. It is creating charges of light to come within yourself so that the elements that do not fit will come out of you. But it is not healthy to be continually going through that process. It makes you feel worse. It makes others uncomfortable when you are around them because it feels like you are not allowing yourself to realize that you can be healthy in different moments of time. So I ask you through this process as these energies come about to realize the potential that you have to make necessary changes in your life and to look at the manifestations that you are creating, even if it is small, like finding a parking spot in a very crowded area. Look at the little simple things that happen to you and then they will grow. I believe that many of you are receiving great gifts at this time. Being in the right space at the right time allows you to realize that you are changing and growing. Your full body system is accepting all of those elements to come into the circumference of whom you are to bring forth the acceptance of those gifts. What you receive is going to expand out of you automatically. Let's embrace this movement that is occurring and allow the electromagnetic fields of light that represent the masculine and feminine divine and being one from the source of light to be part of your existence. These are the elements that are coming up, the parts of you that don't reflect that totality of balance. Please know that you are not alone. that every soul upon this earth is going through these elements in different ways, but each of you have the awareness of what it is and how you can get through it. Embrace that part of yourself fully within you, that you are one step ahead of many others. That is this law of relativity. It is all relative, as many are not able to do what you are doing presently. I walk with you deeply. I am Lord Adama, your brother in Telos. Iluna, Iluna, Iluna. Reverend Christine Melleria C. Integrative Channel.